Today's market saw a mixed performance across key indices. The Nifty 50 ended at 23,328.55, slightly higher from the previous close of 22,828.55, with a notable gain of 500 points. The Nifty Bank saw a positive movement, closing at 52,379.50, up from 51,002.35 previously, reflecting a strong upward trend in banking stocks. Similarly, the Sensex closed at 76,734.89, up from 75,157.26, showing a positive market sentiment. However, the FINNIFTY experienced a slight decline, closing at 24,280.65, down from the previous close of 24,555.55, while the Nifty Midcap Select Index closed higher at 11,540.80, compared to its previous close of 11,226.30. In terms of institutional activity for the last trading session, domestic institutional investors saw a net positive flow with a buying value of 14,129.38 crore rupees and selling value of 10,370.11 crore rupees, resulting in a net buy value of 3,759.27 crore rupees. On the other hand, foreign institutional investors, FPI, were net sellers, with a sell value of 20,577.93 crore rupees, compared to a buy value of 18,058.90 crore rupees, resulting in a net sell value of 2,519 rupees and 3 crores. Top gainers. In the Sensex, IndusInd Bank emerged as a top performer, closing at 735.85, up by 47 rupees and 10 paise. 6.84%, followed by Larsen, which saw a rise of 140 rupees and 35 paise, 4.5%, closing at 3,257.40. Tata Motors and Axis Bank also performed well with gains of 4.5% and 4.18% respectively. On the Nifty 50, Larsen led the gainers with a 4.55% rise, closing at 3,257.60, followed by Adani Enterprises, which gained 4.17%, closing at 2,418.20. Other notable gainers included Shriram Finance and Tata Motors, which both posted significant gains of 5.2% and 4.56%, respectively. Top losers. The Sensex saw losses primarily from ITC, which declined by 1 rupee and 50 paise, 0.36%, to close at 420.30, and HUL, which lost 5 rupees and 55 paise, 0.23%, closing at 2,361.05. In the Nifty 50, ITC also topped the losers list with a slight drop of 0.27%, closing at 420.40. And HUL saw a loss of 0.2%, closing at 2,361.50. Other stocks such as HUL underperformed today, reflecting a broader sectoral weakness. Overall, while the broader market showed positive signs with large cap stocks rising, the mid cap and specific sectoral stocks, like FMCG, showed weakness. The net buying by indicates a positive outlook, although fee selling suggests some caution in the market.